What is up, y'all? It's your girl Curious C here, and I'm back to y'all with another video. Yes, hunty, yes I am. But no, I'm back to y'all with this beautiful look that I have created. A natural glowy look, nothing too much, nothing too harsh. It's very lightweight. So if y'all are new here, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button so y'all can catch up to my videos. And if you want, go and hit that bell button so y'all can be notified when a new video is up. And if you're not, hey y'all, welcome back. I missed y'all. I know y'all missing me. But let's just get into this video. So without further ado, we're going into the makeup routine. Alright, so off camera, I applied my eyebrows. Only thing I did different with my eyebrows, instead of me using ebony, which is more towards the black shade, I used dark brown and ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I used the dip pomade. My face is set and prime off camera as well. The only thing we're finna get into is that glowy feeling before I apply my foundation. I don't have any like luminizer or anything like that, so we're gonna make work with what I got. So I'm going to use my Rihanna Fenty Beauty Body Glow or Body Lava, and this is in brown sugar. Let me pin my hair back, y'all. Let me pin my hair back. But okay, so I'm going to use Rihanna Fenty Beauty Body Lava in the color brown sugar, and I'm just going to apply it a little bit on my skin, just a little bit. I hope y'all can see that. And this is just going to help give that glow that I'm trying to get. I'm rubbing in. It doesn't change the color of your skin or nothing like that. It won't do that. And also moisturize my lips, okay, with some Vaseline. And excuse me, y'all, if I'm like, what is it? Looking to my left, my right. If I'm looking to my right, because I'm trying to get my camera set up really good. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit more, I feel like. Just a little bit more. The Body Lava. And just going to rub. See that shine? Yes, honey, yes. Yes. So I'm finna go in and color correct just a little bit, just around my mouth where my hyperpigmentation is at. I normally color correct under my eyes, but I'm not gonna worry about that today. You just want our look to look flawless, so I'm just gonna color correct around my mouth. And make sure y'all apply enough Vaseline around your lips, boo-boo, okay? Okay, the foundation that I'm going to use today is, I know y'all probably can't see, is the Super Stay by Maybelline, the 24-hour last. In the color, what is it? 334. I'm in the color Warm Sand. Y'all. And it's like a lightweight. You don't want nothing heavy on your face since we're going for this. It's a natural glowy look. So you don't want like no heavy foundation. So I'm just gonna squeeze this on my face. Yeah, I need to clean my makeup brushes. So I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender and I'm gonna blend all this out on me. Alright, so now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder foundation just to kind of minimize this liquid foundation. And I'm using the color 330 in Toffee. And I'm just going to get a little bit. Not a lot. And if y'all know me from my previous videos and makeup tutorials, I do not put foundation on my forehead. The only foundation I put on my forehead is my Juvia's Place because it's so thick and matte. I just have to. But I'm going to go in now with my Juvia's Place concealer in the color 16 to conceal my face. And I want my concealer to be a little lighter. You know, because we're going for that glowy look, okay? You want it to be vibrant and bright. You know, you want to look summertime fine. So, we're going in with the Juvia's Place in the color 16. And I'm going to put this around my T-line area. Yeah, when I tell you this thick, it's thick and you really get enough product in one dip. So I'm going in with another Beauty Damp blender. I need to buy a new one. Like, I keep cleaning this one and using it over and over. It's so freaking soft. And we're just gonna blend this out. And you can never get enough blending. Blending is key to everything. So you're just gonna blend, 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 blend until the harsh lines are like blending in with the foundation. I was like literally blending in with each other. That's what you want. Okay. So to contour my face, y'all know I go in with the LA Pro Concealer in the color Toast. I mean, all my steps are pretty much the same, just using, you know, a different luminizer and a different foundation. But other than that, all the steps are still the same. It just really starts out with your base under your face, or under your foundation. So with this, I'm going to go in with another damp beauty blender. And we're going to blend this out. And when I'm contouring, like I said in my previous video, I like to curve it up. Instead of bringing it all the way out, I want to bring it more up to look more like a head shape. And I do the same on this side. Okay, so now I'm finna set my concealer. And I'm using the Fit Me in the color 20 light medium. I think this is the best setting powder that could ever made. I never have used translucent setting powder. Never have thought to buy any, but yeah. So I'm just gonna set everywhere I concealed that. And this lightens up. This will lighten it up from the contour, so it will bring that color back. You know, bring a little bit of the color back. Alright, so now what I'm finna do, I'm going in my Black Radiance contour palette and light to medium, and I'm going to set my contour. So now that I have my contour and concealer set, I'm going to go in with a little blush in the color Rich Peach by Black Radiance, yes. And I'm just going to take a little bit, not a lot. Not even a lot. Can't y'all tell a glow already? Yes, ma'am. So for my eyes, I'm going in with the Dulce by Juvia's Place. And the only color I'm going to be using really is this light brown right here. Just so my eyelid can have a natural look to it. So I'm not going to go all out with it. We just want to hide the foundation and the concealer and all that stuff we applied to our face. And now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. As y'all know me, liquid eyeliner is not for me. Like, it's just not for me. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Dip eyeliner in the color Jet Black, okay? Okay, so I did my other wing liner off camera. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Total Temptation and do my, what do you call this? I'm literally having a brain fart right now. What am I doing? My lashes. I'm pumping up my lashes a little bit. So now I'm gonna apply my mink lashes. The ones I want to apply are in the car, and I don't feel like walking to my car, so I'm just going to apply what I have inside my apartment. I be feeling like I got on 2 different eyelashes because these 2, I love them, but they don't look the same to me. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my highlight. I'm going in with my Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter in the color Sin. Yes, honey, Sin. Put on my forehead. Okay, so we got my highlight on and it's popping. Now I'm finna do my lips. I'm going in with the NYX in the color, what color is this? Downtown Beauty, and I'm going to lip line my lips. And now I'm going in with NYX in the color London. Let that dry. And then I'm going in with NYX Chromatic Lipstick, Fair Play. Just to give my lips a little shine. So I'm gonna have to get up real quick so I can get my setting spray and spray my face. And then we can catch the slow-mos.